It's a beautiful Mustang sitting here, 1966 model, 289 under the hood. This one's got power steering, no power brakes, electric fan up in the front. Looks like it's chromed out. I love the paint job. I love the interior. It's just clean all the way around, as you can tell. So guys, join us at maplemotors.com. Hit subscribe and share this video. That'll help me out quite a bit. I look at the cars, I point out the flaws, and it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so we're gonna check out the interior, and it's just easier from above. Check out the back seat. The whole boot cover here is in beautiful shape. The carpet has been changed out. The seat is not all ripped up. Just a nice setup here. Put the key in the ignition here. We're gonna run around the block. See the gauges? They're coming up. Need some gas. Oil pressure's up. Engine temperature still low. And the battery seems to be charging there on the upside. Blower motor. Do we got some heat? I sure hope so. Not working. Radio also not cutting on. Clean ashtray. Place your bets. So you think the horn works? We'll be trying it out here in just a second. Wipers top, you can hear it. It's trying to come up. Towards the end of the video, what I'll do is go over the top there. We'll look at the seals and stuff on it. Horn. I'm trying to make it honk. It just feels kind of loose in there. Nothing. I can't get it to honk, guys. So the horn is not hooked up. Left turn signal is working and right turn signal is flashing. Well, lighting up, not flashing. Until I do it myself. Let's hit the road and see how she runs and drives. Okay. It's not too bad. It's just 50 outside. So I'm gonna try not to freeze, but we're gonna go ahead and do this video here. We gotta stop and get gas. All right. In gear. This is the first time I've driven this. Coming down the road, the speedometer is coming up on the dash. Seems to be pretty correct. The kick down is hooked up there, getting into the brakes. A little bit of a left pull when you first hit it. You can kind of see it pulling there. Feels nice and strong. Again, when you first hit the brakes, left pull there. As far as going down the road, it's straight and tight. And of course, we're getting close to the gas station now. Definitely gonna have to get some fuel. This one's going to be an easy car to walk around as far as picking out flaws, like the chips and scratches and all that. There's very little. So that portion of the video is going to be great. Undercarriage shots coming up next. I haven't actually looked under it yet. I do so many test drives every single day. I get to know these cars with you. silky smooth. And again, $20 worth of premium fuel. And I'll let you know about that gauge. Right now it's buried on E. Let's see what it does. All right, we got some fuel in this ride. You put it in behind the cap. In the back here. And of course the gas gauge here on the left. Let's get your start up. Hey, it's coming up. It's not on E no more, so gas gauge seems to be working. All right, let's take off. Okay, here we go. Walking around this little Mustang here. The front end on this one looks decent. The chrome is in good shape. Same with that grill there. Wax there coming around the front. Picked up some bugs. Down this lower portion here. I told you this one's going to be a breeze. The paint job is beautiful. A couple little indentions there. Front window's beautiful and clean. Trim looks good. Oh, there's a little bit of goop there. Little scuffs on top here. Vent window's in good shape. Light little scuffs there. Oh, you can tell the top, even the plastic on the top looks new. The seal is in good shape. Tail lights, great shape. Bumper. Your jams, nice and clean. Getting up under the mat back here. New gas tank. Package tray. It don't get much cleaner than this. It's definitely been redone. Let's see if I can stretch this out where it don't get too many wrinkles. Good deal. Coming down, let's see. Just barely even shut it and it's locked. Little scuffs there. A little spot here in the corner. Down this side. Tires are in awesome shape. Spot in the corner there. A little chip here. Bottom of the door. Spot there. Also a chip there. They even replaced these chrome trim pieces on the side. Little bump there. What's this? Chips? Little chips? There's your front window. Looks pretty good. Trim looks good. A little spot there. Let's go ahead and jump in here. Again, we can check the interior out. I mentioned I love this camera. It's an OSMO 3. I just got it about a week ago, and all week long I have nothing but good service out of this camera. It's awesome all the way around. Good battery life. It's got the gimbal in it. It's got great color. It's got a great picture, 1080 to 4K. And talk about a workhorse. They don't give me anything to say that, but I do have a link below for my Amazon. Little spot there. So if you want one of these, go through that link, click it. It's exactly where I got mine. Motor's nice and quiet. She runs good. She's clean. Put on down with the hood. Little stiff, but it shuts good. Guys, we're gonna head on back to the lot. I gotta put this one back in the showroom before it gets completely dark outside. Detailed pictures of anything that I may have missed are at maplemotors.com. Go check it out. Everything works on this as it should, other than, you know, the radio and the blower motor. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.